Installation of corner sofa, place or accessories. Install both sides of the corner. Use one screw to fix. Don't twist too tightly. Install the seat plate. Use 4 screws to fix. Don't twist too tightly. Install the one side plate. Use 3 screws to fix. Don't twist too tightly. Install the other side plate. Use 4 screws to fix. Don't twist too tightly. Patio installation. Finally, tighten all screws. Corner sofa installation completed. This is glue cushion and pillow. This is gray cushion and pillow. Installation of armless sofa. First, assemble the seat plate. Use 2 screws to fix. Don't tighten too tightly. Second, assemble the side plate. Use 3 screws to fix. Don't tighten too tightly. Assemble the other side plate. Use 3 screws to fix. Don't tighten too tightly. Last, assemble the front plate. Use 4 screws to fix. Don't tighten too tightly. After installation, fix all screws tightly. Armless sofa are assembled completely. This is blue cushion and pillow. This is gray cushion and pillow. Installation of coffee table, place or accessories. Assemble the first side plate. Use 2 screws to fix. Don't tighten screws too tightly. Assemble the second side plate. Use 2 screws to fix. Don't tighten screws too tightly. Assemble the third side plate. Use the 4 screws to fix. Don't tighten screws too tightly. Assemble the last side plate. Use 4 screws to fix. Don't tighten too tightly. After installation, tighten all screws tightly. Coffee table assembly completed. Last, put the tempered glass on the table.